Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings app, then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see silent mode, vibration and ring on silent and don't disturb mode sections. So we could activate silent mode to turn it off, and all of these options with the click on the switchers. Don't disturb mode we could turn on or turn out also with the help of the switcher. We could set the shadow and to allow some calls messages from any people's or apps. Also we could use ring for repeated calls option with the help of the switcher, and also we could mute medias in don't disturb mode. Let's go back. Here we got media, ring, notification and alarm volume panel. So just to change the volume, switch it slide to the left or to the right side. Place dots on each of the volume panels. Here we got ringtone and notification sounds. We could change them. In real sound technology, we could switch the sound from smart to movie, game or music. We could activate or turn off the system haptics, and to activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion sounds and touch sounds. And in more section we could switch volume button function for media to change it to change ringtone volume, and we could also switch the default device from external to this device and to use in-ear monitoring option. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our OPPO A2x. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.